Hey everybody, and welcome to my very first Pinterest party on Facebook. I was trying to get this also on my phone so I can easily see comments, but I might be able to see them from here. So I'll try and do that instead of jacking with that phone. So I am really excited to do a Pinterest project with y'all tonight live on Facebook. So if you've been following along, you've seen that I posted this really cool centerpiece that had was a box, and it had some pumpkins and candles and some other things in there. Well, I decided that I wanted to turn our awesome close to home decor box into the same thing. So I ordered myself one of these. That is what this is right here. This is the close to home decor box. And you will find the link directly to this item above me in the comments. So look at how big this is. This is awesome. You can personalize it. As you see, I did mine. It says welcome home. I wanted to do something generic that could go with any season so that I could change this out every season and use it all the time. So I didn't want to do anything seasonal on there. But there's lots of different personalizations that you can do on this. And I've already done a couple of things ahead of time. So what I did was I bought one of these foam things at Walmart. And it was a bit longer than this, but I cut it in half lengthwise, and then I cut it up so that it fit in the bottom of this. So you can see it, and it's down in there. Hey, Shelly. So it's down in there. You can't really see it. So anyway, I cut that up just to give it a little bit of height on the bottom there. And so that's what's in there. And then I also put some of this Spanish moss in there. As you see, I just put it on the whole entire thing. I got that at the dollar store. Here's what the package looked like in case I was sharing my all my supplies, but that's one I just picked up the other day because I changed my mind on something. So I got the Spanish moss instead of the other stuff that I was going to use, which was this. The taffeta or whatever it's called. I don't know what it's called. So I went with the Spanish moss instead. So this close to home decor box has handles on the side. I didn't even take the paper off of them yet. Has handles on the side, and it is made from that mango wood. So it's absolutely gorgeous. So beautiful. Very natural looking. The wood grain is very natural. I just love how the lights and the darks go together. So it's just beautiful. Okay, so let's get started on this. So I'm going to show y'all how we can turn this in to a little fall centerpiece. So I have some different things here, and I got most of this stuff either at the dollar store or at Michael's on sale. Except for these awesome little pumpkins. I'm going to go ahead and plug our pumpkin patch for church. So if you're in the Spring area, Northwoods Baptist Church over on Treshwig and Cypresswood, we have a pumpkin patch set up. I got these gorgeous white pumpkins for $2 a piece. So they're absolutely beautiful. You can pick the ones that are perfect for what you need them for. And we do have some that are a little bit bigger too. So you'll see that one's a bit bigger. But I needed the little ones. So I'm going to put those in there. And I might have to move this stuff around a little bit. We'll just see how it goes all together. So another thing that I picked up at Michael's was this one has pumpkins in it and little acorns. It's called Table Scatter. Let's see. They have their fall stuff on sale right now for 70% off. This was 90 cents a package. 90 cents. That's a good deal. So I picked up several of them. So I have those to use in here. And then I also got this, which I think I'm going to cut because I don't like having to deal with long pieces of wire like this. I prefer to stick stuff in because then you can put it exactly where you want it. So the cool thing about these Pinterest parties that I'm loving is making stuff with people. And I hope these wire cutters are going to work. My husband's not here, so I had to just go dig through his toolbox to try and find something. I don't know if I got the right thing. But I am doing these Pinterest parties at home parties as well. And I'm just going to have to mess with this in pieces, in this big piece like this. But I bring all the crafts and we do a fun Pinterest party and we create a craft right there at the party. It's a lot of fun. But I wanted to find a way that I could do this online and share my love of crafting along with my love of 31. So I decided I wanted to turn this into a fall centerpiece. But it's just a lot of fun to do. So I love all the fall ideas and stuff that you can do along with a party. And that's something that I'm offering. So if you're local to me and you would like to have a Pinterest party in your home and invite some girlfriends over, have a glass of wine, relax, and do some crafts, let's get together because I'm all for that. I also have a link above where you can fill out a quick little form saying that you're interested in learning more about hosting a party, and I'll contact you. All right, well, that wasn't as hard as I thought it would be. So I just took that and just kind of put it along in there so it's still hanging out in there. Now, I also picked this up at Walmart. I was going to use candles, but I didn't want to have to use less pumpkins. So I got this, it's some LED lights. And after I bought it, I realized it's a USB thing. So if you have one of these little portable things, you just hook it up into that. It's really great if you're using this somewhere where it's not, where you can't just plug it right in, because you just have to have a little charger sitting there. And it lasts really well because I used this at an event the other day and I had it on all day long, and it doesn't take a whole lot of battery life, I guess is what I'm trying to say. So I thought it would be neat to have this in there, and you could just, the wire really kind of blends in really well. It's very fine, thin wire, so if you don't have it on, it's not going to really, look tacky or anything. It's going to blend in really well with all the other stuff I'm going to put in there. And so all you have to do is just turn it off when you're not, or unplug it when you're not using it. So this decor box is beautiful. Now we have a couple of other things too. We have the photo gallery. Well, it's called a table gallery. I always want to call it the photo gallery. It's called a table gallery. We have the table gallery. We have the caddy, which is a little bit smaller, and you could still craft with that really well as too. So the decor box is $68. And then you can personalize it for $8, or you can leave it blank if you want to even. So there we go. I got the lights in there now, so that looks really cool. So now what I want to do is, I love these little, so these leaves came in a package. I got them at the dollar store. I posted a picture of them earlier in the week. I don't have a package that's together here, but it came in a big package. It had like 50 leaves in there for $1. And for some reason, I just love these. They almost look, they're fabric-y. They're a little bit thicker than some of the other ones, and they were just green and orange, and I just really liked them. So I wanted to stick those in here as well, just randomly throughout. And the thing about crafts is you see them on Pinterest and you like how it looks, but what you do is you make it your own. So I just like to use that as a great idea, but a lot of times I change stuff up how I like it. So here's a couple more, put a couple more green ones in there. So it also had leaves that look like this, but for some reason I just liked these thicker ones that were almost, they're like a woven. I don't know what they are, but I just really like these. So move this one down here and put this one over here. All right. Now what else I have are some of these little picks that I got. Now I got these at Walmart. This is the package that they were on. They were in the fall aisle. So you see they were $4, and it came with 4 of these picks on there. So it was like a little set of those on there. And I did already cut a few of these off. So it has different things. And I'm just going to stick some of that here and there. I love the little fall flowers that are so pretty like that. And of course the sunflower, which I guess I didn't cut off of there because it's still on. Let's put this one right here. All right. Oh, I see if there's any other comments. Let's see. I might be able to cut this sunflower off. I don't know. I think this one wasn't as thick as the other stuff. Maybe I won't be able to cut it. I don't know. I'm not good at stuff like that. And I didn't pack. Hey, Kinsley, run in there and get me those scissors off the refrigerator, the kitchen scissors. Kinsley will get me those kitchen scissors, and they work really well. Okay. Yes. Okay, so we're going to put some more of this in there. And then I do have a couple of these big pine cones. Thank you. And cut this. I think this is, yeah, there we go. I was going to say, I think that's what I used before. So here's a sunflower. I'm going to put that one right in the center because I just love sunflowers. So put that right there. And then I have a couple of the big pine cones that are in the same package. I already put one in there. I thought I had two cut already. Oh, well, we'll just use one right here. Put that. And we'll stick that right there. Now, I also have the little pine cones and acorns. So this is what's in that other one. Now, what I also use this on, if you caught it, oh, here's the other one. I put it in the bag. I knew I had another bigger pine cone somewhere. So put that right in the corner. If you saw, I did a live video just randomly the other day, and I made a Christmas ornament out of our photo tiles. And that's what I use this on as well. So I use an acorn and a little pine cone, and I hot glued it on there to make that ornament. So that's one of our photo tiles. So you'll have to go back and find that live video so you can see how I did that. And I also put a link to a video to show you how exactly to order your photo so that it'll be upside down so that you can use it as an ornament. So I just love that. And I made that how-to video just so you can easily see. I think it's so much easier to show someone on a video than to try and walk them through it, because I'm not the best at doing that. I prefer just to make a video. Okay, and I think that might be about it. Or maybe we could put a couple of these small pumpkins in there. Actually, I definitely want some more of the small pine cones. That's what I really like. So let's put a couple more of those in there. Maybe not the pumpkins. We don't want to take away from these white pumpkins because they're my favorite. My absolute favorite. Like I said, if you're in the Spring area, you got to come by Northwoods Baptist and check out our pumpkin patch. So anywho, that's about it. So that is how easy it was. Y'all see how easy that was to just create a fall centerpiece. So I just took that picture that I saw on Pinterest and I said, I like that. I went and found some of the products that were exactly pretty much the same as what was in the picture, but then I turned it into my own centerpiece as well. So see, yes, it is a great Christmas gift. So you see that. So I have the lights on right there, or you can unplug it and turn the lights off. And like I said, that wire, I mean, you could really take it out if you want. It's just along the edges, but you can't even see it now that the lights are off. So it's got the pumpkins in there. And the Spanish moss fills, and that just helps fill in the space so that it all looks nice and even. So isn't that beautiful? Oh my goodness, I can't wait to put this on the counter in there. It's going to be gorgeous. So there you have it. That is the Close to Home decor box, Pinterest up to make a cool fall centerpiece with a little Pinterest flair to it. It's awesome. You can check out the link above, and it'll take you directly to the decor box on my website. You can also send me a message right here on my page if you have any questions or need help ordering. And if you're interested in hosting a really fun party like this at home or even online, you can fill out my Jot form that's right up there too. There's a link to it also in the comments about, in the description above. So. And then in the comments below, I'll put a link to the video where I show how I made this really cool photo ornament out of our photo insert, okay? All right, ladies, I am so thankful for y'all joining me tonight and checking out this and helping me do my very first live Pinterest project party. I look forward to making more in the future, and let me know if you have any questions or if you need help getting your decor box ordered. Oh, and one more thing. If you do place a decor box order tonight, please order it on the Pinterest project party on my website, which is mamaneedsanewbag.com, MOMMA needsanewbag.com. You'll order on the Pinterest project website, party, and that, if it reaches a party level where it has rewards, I'll be giving the rewards away to one of the shoppers, okay? So head over there, get yourself a decor box, and then go run and get those same supplies at Michael's, the dollar store, and Walmart. All right, ladies, thanks for joining me tonight. I had a great time.